Hello everyone and welcome back to another vlog. In today's vlog, I'll be showing you guys how to make a simple, easy, delicious cappuccino. So here I've got a few ingredients. 4 tablespoons of coffee, which is coffee powder, obviously, it's from Nescafe. I've taken 5 tablespoons of sugar. You can use caster. I'm using granulated. And I'm using 4 tablespoons of lukewarm water. And a bowl, and a whisker, and a spoon. So let's start. Here I've got the coffee powder. I'm just going to add it in. And then I'm going to add the sugar. And the water. This is so simple, guys. Do try it out. So basically now it's just whisk it with a whisker. So as you guys can see, the mixture is starting to get like thicker, as you all can see. Now whisk this for like 2 to 3 minutes, I would say. But the mixture has to be so thick that you have to like try it in a spoon, and if it falls, then you have to beat it again. So guys, I've stopped whisking and I'm just going to test it with the spoon. Is it going to fall? Yeah, it is falling, so I have to whisk it again for 1 minute, I would say. So guys, our mixture is ready. As you all can see, it's not falling off the spoon. It's perfectly done. And now we just have to put it in a coffee cup and then pour some hot milk. Not that hot boiling, but like hot. And then you can have your coffee. So guys, I am adding some sweetener for taste. Well, I prefer sweetener. You can add sugar if you want. And just mix it. So guys, this is our coffee is ready to drink. Trust me, this will turn out so delicious. And don't forget to comment me, like, share, and subscribe my channel. And give a thumbs up if you like my videos. And finally, thank you so much for watching my video. And we'll see you guys in the next video with some more new videos. Till then, bye!